So I'm gonna put my hand up this way. There's the pedal. So I'm gonna put my hand up through this little space right here. Up through here. And let's see if I can turn the camera around. Okay, so that's the camera turned around. We're gonna go up through this space right here. Up through here. Okay, that's the steering lock. I know it's dark, but the red arrow is pointing towards the connector. But you put your hand up there, you feel around for the cable, and you disconnect it. Okay, so I'm gonna put my hand up there. My hand is behind the brake pedal here, going up through this area. Careful with this plastic edge here, it's a little sharp. Find the connector. I just found it. My finger's on it. And I'm gonna depress the pin and pull it out. It's out. So now it's just hanging up there. Let's bring it all the way out. And that's all we need. This connector was in the factory lock. We're gonna leave the factory lock in the steering column, and I'm gonna go program the emulator, plug the emulator in here, zip tie this to this fat cable up here, and we're done. I'm gonna put things back together, and the car's gonna start up, and it's not gonna fail again.